In a tiny, middle-aged town, right at the riverbank of the Rhine, is a workshop. In it, a wooden boat. But, hold, started as this story far away. I stood under a mango tree on an island in the Indian Ocean and drew some lines in the dust. Endra shall she be called. Thus Nile reverie turned into a serious project as I turned back to Switzerland by tangled ways. I started to read and potter. Soon I steamed and bent 52 oak frames, everyone with its own shape and turn. I bolted floors on the kegel, blanks and frames, fitted deck beams between shear clamps, designed and dreamed, not without a certain anxiety for the journey to come. When a sailing boat named Endra leaves the port of Mutsamudu for the Tanzanian coast. So come aboard this journey of crafting and sailing, Endra.